And it's going to be another beautiful day across the county. If you're headed out to CSUB's graduation ceremony, it's going to be beautiful weather for that at 8 a.m. We're going to still be in those 60s, so cool, and then the sun's going to come out. We're going to warm up to those 70s by 11 a.m., reaching those 80s later on. And we are seeing increased cloud cover in the mountains. Those should be clearing out by this afternoon, and we'll see those sunny skies across the county. And those mild temperatures, seasonal temperatures, will continue today, but we're going to be warming on up this weekend. We're going to be reaching those upper 80s here in the valley, 87 today, but for today, that high of 84. Then on Sunday, still in those 80s, cooling down to those low 80s on Monday with increased cloud cover. And then on Tuesday, we have a slight chance of rain, breezy conditions, but still in those 80s. But take a look at next weekend. That's when we really warm up to those 90s with the sun out. And in the Kern River Valley, a high of 77, breezy conditions, and those clouds should be clearing out later on this afternoon. Increased cloud cover tomorrow, but still in those upper 80s, 70s, and those 70s continue until Wednesday when we reach those 80s. And in Tehachapi, a high of 68, breezy conditions and increased cloud cover that will continue tomorrow, warming up to those 70s, 69 on Sunday, and then on Tuesday, that slight chance of rain still in those 60s, 70s on Thursday. And in Frazier Park, a high of 69, cooling down to those 40s overnight tomorrow, warming up to those 70s, back down to the 60s on Sunday, 70s on Tuesday with that slight chance of rain as well, but clouds will be clearing and drying Wednesday, Thursday.